MP Manikim Tagore has moved an adjournment motion notice to demand a discussion on the auction of the tungsten mines in Madurai. So the Congress MP has moved the adjournment motion today. This is in the Lok Sabha for a discussion on the mines, and my colleague Niyamika is joining us with the details. Niyamika, in the Rajya Sabha, a lot is expected with the opposition leaders also to move a no confidence motion against the upper house chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, and in the Lok Sabha, what's expected today? All right, we'll go back to Niyamika in just a moment. But remember, disruptions have been witnessed in both houses of the parliament, in the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha. So yesterday, in the Rajya Sabha, of course, there were a lot of disruptions. While discussions were going on, the BJP accused the Congress party of having links with Soros, and that's what led to the opposition leaders deciding that they will be moving a no confidence motion against Jagdeep Dhankar. Remember, the opposition parties do not have the numbers in the House to ensure Dhankar's impeachment as the Vice President, but they're only contemplating this move as a message, as a political signal to the centre. So that's what is being planned, with the opposition leaders all expected to meet. They will be meeting at 9:30 a.m., after which at 10:30 a protest is also planned in the parliament. So remember, over the last week, we've seen a complete washout of the parliament, both houses of the parliament, Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, and it is expected to only continue. Niyamika, we were speaking about what's happening in the Rajya Sabha. Today a lot expected, an adjournment motion also being moved in the Lok Sabha. What's expected?
Well, yes, that's right. As the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Manikim Tagore, has moved an adjournment motion notice to demand a discussion about the auction of tungsten mines in Madurai of Tamil Nadu, as he has also mentioned that it has sparked a widespread concern amongst the local communities, and for that reason he had also extended his support regarding the concern which is being raised by the locals there, as he has also mentioned that there is a demand for the cancellation of the project, and for that reason he has also put up 3 demands before the House, as well as the main demands which are being raised by the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP is that the cancellation of the mining rights granted to Hindustan Zinc Limited. Not just this, but in fact he has also demanded that to protect the environment and the biodiversity of the region, and make sure that the state government's permission mandatory for granting mining license. As for that reason he has also mentioned that for all the MPs of the Lok Sabha to stand together to protect the rights of the citizens and to preserve the natural resources of the country. And for that reason now he is also demanding a proper discussion about this entire matter. Not just this, but in fact the Kanyakumari's Lok Sabha MP of the Congress Party, Vijay Vasant, has also given a notice of adjournment to address the urgent matter which is related to the creating a ministry for the fisheries and the fishermen of welfare. As we have seen in the past few days that how the Congress Party was earlier majorly focusing about the Adani issue within the parliament, the manner in which protests were going on, even the adjournment motion notices were going on. But soon after that we have seen that there was a rift which was created between the India bloc parties, as there were some concerns which were being raised by not just the other India bloc parties, but some of the Congress MPs have also raised a concern that they want to raise certain matters which are related to their respective states, and that is now a change which can clearly be seen in the stand of the Congress Party, because it is the Congress Party's MPs who have started raising the issues which are related to their own states, which also includes the Congress Party's MPs Manikim Tagore as well as Vijay Vasant, who has just now given an adjournment motion notice about various issues which are related to their own state.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details.